In September this year, Crafty Caravanners are going on their very first ever caravan rally. It's been arranged by Keith and Michelle of Carefree Caravanning. There are going to be around 140 fellow caravanners and motorhomers meeting up for the weekend, and there's going to be lots of fun, but also there will be fundraising in aid of the Alzheimer Society. The Society helps to fund care for those diagnosed with Alzheimer's and dementia and in helping find a cure. Currently, over 50,000 people in the UK have dementia and 225,000 will develop it this year. That's a rate of one person every 3 minutes. Carefree Caravanning will be having a raffle with some amazing prizes, and that's where my padded notice board comes in. The Crafty Caravanners are going to be donating one as a prize. There is a Just Giving page, the link above, and also in the description of this video. Keith and Michelle sincerely hope as many people as possible will support them by making a donation, including those who are unable to join us at the rally in September. Keith, Michelle, Pete and I would really appreciate any donations, no matter how small, for this cause. People can donate anonymously if they prefer to do so. We are hoping to raise as much money as possible in aid of the Alzheimer's Society, and your support would be greatly appreciated. A cork board. Mine is 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres. Some padding, I purchased this online. Some fabric in a print of your choice. I have chosen a caravan print as it's for a caravan themed event. Some material scissors. A pen. No ruler was in fact required, however you will need a hammer. Paper fasteners. I have brass and silver ones at the moment, as I have not decided what colour ribbon to use on the notice board yet. Ribbon. I have chosen 4 colours that I feel will go well with the fabric and will make my final decision once the board is covered. Double-sided tape to affix the backing card later on. A brad awl to make holes to insert your paper fasteners into. A heavy-duty stapler. A plain piece of cardboard measuring 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres for the backing. This is a bag of fittings that comes with the corkboard and will allow you to hang your notice board if you wish to do so, and a few push pins to get you started. So without further ado, let's start making our padded notice board. You will need a double thickness of padding. Then cut it to the size of your board. Just roughly draw around the edge and cut the padding to size. Make sure that you have enough material to cover the beading on the rear of the board, as this is where you need to affix the material to. I purchased 1/2 metre, which is actually just enough material to make 2 notice boards, so I cut the material in half. Please note that a fat quarter will not be big enough to cover 1 notice board. Fold the material over, making sure that it's taut but not so tight that it pulls or wrinkles. Fold in your corners neatly, just like you were wrapping a present. Staple along the edges. Trim off the excess material. Select a ribbon that contrasts well with your chosen fabric. In the end, I decided to go with the yellow. As I have now chosen the yellow ribbon, I have chosen the brass paper fasteners as they go best with this colour. Start off by putting your first strip of ribbon diagonally across the board from top to bottom. Then you can judge by eye the next strips of ribbon. It's up to you how close or far apart you put them. Once you have covered the board in one direction, rotate the board a quarter turn, that's 90 degrees, and repeat as above. Take your bradawl and where the two pieces of ribbon intersect, place the tip of the bradawl and tap with a hammer until it goes through the back of the board. Most corkboards are only a few millimetres thick and then backed with cardboard, so it's quite easy to punch a hole. Don't hit it too hard or you'll end up going into the table, just like I did. Don't worry, it's an old table. Once you've punched your hole, insert your paper fastener, turn the notice board over and split the two halves of the fastener so they are flat against the cardboard backing. Insert one fastener at every point where the ribbons cross. To tidy up the back of the board, take a piece of plain cardboard, measure it to size. We know our corkboard is 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres, so I'm measuring 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres, cutting off the excess. Then apply double-sided sticky tape, remove the backing and stick to the back of your board. And there you have it, one padded notice board. I hope that was simple enough for everyone to follow and that someone feels that they could have a go at making one themselves. If you do, please take a photo and pop it on social media. If you have any questions about anything in today's video, then please put a comment below. Remember to follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, give us a like and turn on notifications.
Bye.
Bye.